Hi friends! Sorry for the weird angle, it's just a busy sunny day, so there's a lot of people around. Anyways, I have my muffin, I have a coffee, and I'm gonna talk to you about Christmas decorating this year. Ooh, that's nice. Too sweet for my taste. The coffee is good. So anyways, I was going to buy some decorations for this Christmas season and also for my vintage kitchen makeover. And then I figured out I'm just gonna do two in one. So while I will be making my kitchen feel more vintage, I will also decorate it for Christmas. That's why I bought following stuff that I will show you. So a lot of this project will be DIY. Okay, let me show you. This is the first DIY I will do because I have a lot of black frames. They're just black and I wanted to change them into gold, but they didn't have spray, so I bought this acrylic paint. It's like a shiny brownish color. I bought these. I will use my glue gun to glue these to my frames. Hopefully it will turn out nice. Anyways, I bought this because it was very cute. And the last thing I bought is actually this, another DIY project, but this one I will do with my son. It's so cute. It's this foam house. It's just like foam material, but there's a lot of steps to it, so it's gonna be a challenge to do it with him, and I can't wait for it. Also, I found these little fake Christmas lights. They're so cute. They're gonna go on the house when we finish it. Decorating my kitchen in vintage and also Christmas style is gonna be on the top of my list from now on, because I did bought some secondhand stuff, some from Vinted, that I will show you. This is just what I had to buy new, like materials and stuff for my DIY idea. I'm the worst person to eat on camera. It's such a beautiful day today. It's so hot. November, December. Okay, it's November. It's November. It's at least 20 degrees Celsius. What a wonderful day. Can't wait to come home and go to park with my kids. Maybe we will go to forest even. Shall see. During the summer season, this place is alive with tourists. But once the summer rush fades, it becomes so calm and quiet that it almost feels abandoned. When I was a child, these grounds were well maintained all year round. Now they've been left to decay. In fact, the entire area surrounding the hotel hasn't been properly cared for in many years. The reason lies in ongoing legal disputes over the hotel's ownership, which sadly left everything look neglected. Yet, there's something fascinating about how quickly nature reclaims what once belonged to it. The floors are cracked by roots, the fences are wrapped in ivy, and the echo that bounces through the air makes it seem as if the voices are coming straight from the forest. We enjoy this peace and the simple moments playing with our children. Maybe one day the complex will come back to life. With the right vision and investment, this place could become the crown jewel of Istria. Until then, we cherish the solitude and the silence, something that's becoming harder and harder to find in our fast paced everyday lives. Thanks for joining us on this little escape. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!